top developing story right now. Even as actor, Rhea Chakravarti is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate in Mumbai in the investigation into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. The central government has now approached the Supreme Court requesting to be heard in this petition filed by the actor Rhea Chakravarti, challenging the case filed against her in Bihar in the death of her former boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput. Let's go across to A. Vaidyanathan, who's been following this story. He now joins us. Vaidya, there are already so many agencies investigating this case, so many states involved, and now the central government says it wants in too. What is the reason that the central government has given for which it now wants to be heard in this case? Why?
Sarah, there may be a lot of confusion why Centre has moved the Supreme Court. It's just a formality. It's called impediment in the legal parlance. So in the just a couple of days ago, during the course of the hearing, Solicitor General representing the Centre told the court saying that we have accepted the Bihar government's recommendation. CBI will be probing into it. Notification will be ready. So he orally said it. Now, central government through its application wants to be a party. And at the same time, they have also placed the notification of Department of Personnel and Training saying that CBI has taken over the Patna FIR. This is just a formality because without any paper, court cannot look into it. So not much to be read about. But at the same time, in the next hearing, the centre may also say the court saying that Bihar and Maharashtra are fighting against each other, jurisdiction. It's better Supreme Court itself order the CBI probe in a holistic manner so that everything can be probed. This can happen. But Centre's impediment wants to be a party in this case is just a formality because they want to place on record the notification issued for taking over the case by the CBI.
All right. Thanks, Vaidya. Just a formality, you say, but of course, you will continue to monitor this case for us and bring us all the updates. We also have, as we have so many states involved, so many agencies involved, we also have so many of our reporters involved in covering the story to bring you the latest. We'll go across to, we'll also go across to Saurabh Gupta in Mumbai and Arvind also following this story up in the capital. First to Mumbai, where earlier in the day, the actor Rhea Chakravarti arrived at the Enforcement Directorate office in Mumbai for questioning in the Sushant Singh Rajput investigation after her request to put it off was rejected by the agency. So, Saurabh Gupta, first, what's going on where you are at? Because now it's been many hours that Rhea Chakravarti has been questioned in this case. It's now going to be evening on Friday, though of course under this pandemic and lockdown there's been really no concept of weekends, etc. But she arrived around 11:30 a.m. which was the deadline that the Enforcement Directorate had given. It is now 6 p.m. What's going on at your end?
Well, you know, Sarah, to put it in perspective, Enforcement Directorate has probed money laundering cases. It only probes money laundering cases. That's its mandate. Now, if you look at the volume of money involved in this case, many will observe that, well, it doesn't really seem to be that big a case, given the fact that it's only about questions relating to some 15 crore rupees, some investments that have been made from Sushant Singh Rajput's account, or perhaps some money that's been transferred from Sushant Singh Rajput's account. But the Enforcement Directorate does have the jurisdiction if there is a criminal offence registered. The Mumbai police, which started probing the case, was doing an inquest proceeding, and that's not a criminal case. Only upon the end of that inquest proceeding would they have decided in some way, one way or the other, that whether there is a criminal case or not, or whether there isn't. Only based on a criminal case can the Enforcement Directorate, file another offence, which is always known as the secondary offence. The primary offence has to be the criminal case. Now, in this case, what has happened is that the Bihar police have registered an FIR based on Sushant Singh Rajput's father's complaint, who has also given a statement to the Mumbai police, but has made no such complaint in that statement. So these are things that are, now a legal quagmire, but what clearly seems to be taken over is the politics surrounding the case. Because let's not forget, there are Bihar elections around the corner, and that is one reason perhaps why the case has been played up. There are several other issues. For example, the BJP in Maharashtra has been using the case to target, the Chief Minister and his family. So it has become more political now than actually the legal part of it. That seems to be drawing more attention. But in the meantime, the case is being probed by the Enforcement Directorate. They found no reason to wait till the Supreme Court actually decides on the jurisdiction issue and have called Rhea Chakraborty. Rhea Chakraborty complied, and the questioning is still on.